How would you like to earn $30 per hour for dog walking? That's right, make money walking dogs. What's up everyone, Nathan here, and that's exactly what I'm going to share with you today. All you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so a little bit different topic today. Make money by walking dogs. And I'm actually going to share with you two sites. There are also two apps available, so you can have it straight into your smartphone there as well. Keep in mind, you won't get rich with this kind of opportunity, so if you're interested in building a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out the link in my description below here. But we save that for the end of this video because first we want to make some extra money by walking dogs. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so the first site that we're going to have a look at is rover.com. rover.com, and this is how it looks actually when we arrive at the site. So you can see here it is actually for dog and cat as well, but it's probably more popular with dogs here. So the services that they offer and that you can offer, of course, is dog boarding. You can offer house sitting, great if you need overnight pets or house sitting services, dog walking, doggy daycare, and drop-in visits. And there is a lot of people who actually they don't have time for their jobs and so on, so they come to these kind of sites and they search for someone that they can help them with the dog walking, the boarding, the house sitting, and so on. So you can see here actually when you come here, and if you're looking for the kind of services, let's say that we're looking for someone that wants to have a dog boarding in Texas. I don't know, just coming up with something here. And if we type the search, you can see that there is a lot of people that is available, of course. So everything from $26 per night, $30 per night, $45 per night. So there is a lot of variations here. And we can actually go for, let's say that we go for house sitting. You can see here $25 per night. If I remember right, you actually make more by dog boarding, but we'll have a look at that real soon. So dog walking for 30 minutes walk, you can see here. They say actually $25-40 per day, but I know that they charge actually more, so I'm going to show you here if you hang on a little bit. So if I go back here to the main site, let's see here, and we want to become a seeder, so we hit this one. So you can see here you get paid to play with dogs. Rover makes it easy and promotes you the nation's largest network of pet parents. Earn up to $1,000 per month. I actually seen the people that has make $100 plus per day with this site actually here on Rover. They left testimonials. But if we have a look at it here, flexibility puts you in control. You set your own schedule, of course, and prices. Offer any combination of pet care services, set size, age, and other pet preferences that works for you. The tools that to succeed, and you can see here there are some testimonials. So basically you create the profile. They guide you through exactly. You will accept, of course, the requests that you will get. You need to accept them. And when you're done with it, you will get paid, of course. So you see here, as I said earlier, dog boarding is the highest earners, okay? Care for a dog or a cat overnight in your home, and you can make up to 2 times more than sitters who don't. And you can offer dog walking, doggy daycare, ideal from work from home, dog lovers, and house sitting drop-ins, of course, also. So we can have a look at more in detail if you're interested, of course, here, reading the blogs here, the Q&A community, and so on. But rover.com, definitely worth, and as I said, you can have a look at the main site also. You see here both available for App Store and Google Play. So that is about rover.com. Let's just play a little bit here. Kansas City, a medium dog, for example, dog boarding. You can see here 25 per night, 25 per night. There is a lot of variations. It all depends on how much you want to charge. House sitting, you can see it will probably pretty similar, $50. So it really depends, as I said. But for dog walking, there you see, $20 per walk, and it is about 30-minute walk. So it is more than $30 per hour here for sure. Okay, there is some people charging lower here, $13 per walk, and it is 30 minutes. I'm sorry, 30 minutes. $30 per walk, which means 60. So it really depends. Okay, so you can have a look at it. Of course, since you don't have any testimonial in the beginning, I would actually have a lower rate so I can get started. And when you become popular and trusted, you will of course increase the prices there. Okay, so the next site that we're going to have a look at is wagwalking.com. This is how it looks when you arrive at the site. You can see here you can get your first walk free, become a walker. That's what we're going to have a look at. But first, let's scroll down a little bit here. You can see there is some testimonials. It is a trusted site actually, so trust and safety really matters here, of course. So feeding shelter dog with our walks, and basically, as I said, we are interested in becoming a walker. Okay, so we go here and you can see here, walking dogs with WAG gives you the flexibility to be your own boss and work whenever it fits your schedule. Walk as much or little as you like. The more you walk, the more you earn. Plus, you'll be making a lot of new fur friends along the way. There is the flexibility, the dog love, the money, of course, the give back. And you can see here are some testimonials again. So what it takes to walk with WAG is a great way to earn money. However, taking care of someone's pets is a responsibility to be taken seriously. So you definitely need to be interested seriously in this, and have some experience would be a big plus, of course. You must be over 18 years old to apply, legally allowed to work in the States, and physically able to walk at least 20 minutes. And the application process, you will need to fill in, of course, an application, and the prior dog experience, of course, it will help you. So if I have a look at the FAQ actually here, you can see here for dog walkers. Now, WAG offers you the chance to work with dogs on a daily basis while making money. As a dog walker with WAG, you're able to set your own schedule, spend time outdoors and exercise. We already covered that. And the qualifications. How much can I make being a dog walker? Now, of course, it varies based on location and walk length, but on average, a walker will make $12 plus tip for a 30-minute walk. So you can definitely make $15 here for a 30-minute walk, so that equals to $30 for an hour there easily, okay? And as you can see earlier, you could make more by taking care of a whole night or something like that, so you will definitely make much more. But you can have a look at the details here at your own pace, wagwalking.com, and the first site was rover.com. These two sites are definitely perfect to get started with, to make money by walking dogs. Now, keep in mind, as I said, you won't get rich with this kind of opportunities. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you want to check out the link that is in my description below here. Alright, if you got some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button below. Don't leave yet. You'll find an end screen here soon with 2 channel recommendations. I highly suggest you to subscribe to both. Both are related to make money online, internet marketing, work from home, and so on. So subscribe to both. Hit the notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. And you'll also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon.